Okay, hello friends. Now we are doing the questions of work, energy and power. First question. First question of work, energy and power. Let this is lined inclined plane on which a block of now the question is that a block of mass 10 kg is on an inclined plane. It is now slipping due to the gravity. You need to find the work done by the friction force and you need to find the final velocity of the block. Okay. So first of all, we will draw all the forces acting on this body. Let us start with the weight that is equal to mg downward. The factor of weight that is equal to mg sin theta. This factor mg sin theta will try to pull down the block, and one factor mg cos theta. This factor will cause the normal reaction due to the surface on the block. So n is also mg cos theta. Due to this n and due to the friction between two contact surface, there will be a friction force Fr, and this friction force will be equal to mu n. Okay. So now net force acting on the body F net, this is equal to mg sin theta minus Fr friction. So mg sin theta minus mu mg cos theta. By putting the value, this is 10 sin 30, this is half, minus mu 1 by 4, 10 into 10 sin cos 30 root 3 by 2. By solving this, we would get the force that is equal to 50 minus 12.5 root 3 by 2. This is the F net. So now work done by friction. So now net work would be what? This is F net into total displacement. So now the work done by the friction would be 500 minus 12.5. This is the total work done by the force. So now the work done by the friction, this is the work done by friction because the frictional force is simply mu mg cos theta. So net work done is this, and this is the work done by friction. Okay. Now to find the final velocity, we would simply use the second concept. The energy which is consumed to do this work would provide this the final kinetic energy, or the change in the energy used to do the work will be equal to the kinetic energy. So this is the concept. So by using this, that energy which is being given, this is W net, and this would be equal to half mv square. By solving this, we would find V would be 7.5 meter per second. So this is the method how to find the final velocity and the final work done by the friction. Now the second question. Now the question is, a block of 10 kg is being bringing down by the help of a rope. The acceleration of the block is g by 4, and there is a tension in the spring. Now you need to find the work done by the tension in 5 seconds. Okay. Now we will draw the simply draw the free body diagram of this block. Let this is the tension T, this is mg, and overall acceleration is g by 4. So by the combination of the force mg minus t, this would provide this acceleration. So this would be equal to mg by 4. So by solving this, we would find t equal to mg minus mg by 4. 3 into 10 into 10 by 4. This would be 75 Newton T. Now distance covered. This is the first part of this problem. Now you need to solve the second part. Distance covered by block in 5 seconds. This would be distance covered by block in 5 seconds. This would be s equal to ut plus half at square. Obviously, u initial velocity is 0, t plus half. A is the net acceleration of the block, that is equal to g by 4. T square is equal to 5 square. By putting the values and solving this, we would find s is equal to 31.25 meter. This is the second part. Now to find the total work is equal to force into displacement. By solving this T and S, this would be 75 into 31.25, and this would be 240 joule. This is the work. Okay, now the next question is that you are being given a force which is given by this equation 4x ik plus 5jk. You need to find the work which is done by this force to moving a body from origin to a location which has the coordinate 3, 4. So to need to work, we will simply use the formula f dot dx. Okay, and now we can see that the force is two-dimensional. In two-dimensional, we can see x. This is y. So this is the origin 0, 0, and the body is being moved to 3, 4. Let this is the location. So now you need to find the work. Force is also in two dimension. So the work would be simply wx plus wy. Ws is simply what? Fx dot dx plus fy dot dy. Simply fx is what? 4x. Limit is 0 to 3 dot dx plus fy. This is simply what? 0 to 4. Fy is simply 5 and dy. By solving this, we would find the total work done by this. That would be 4x square by 2, 30 plus 5y 0 to 4, and by solving this we would find this would be equal to 38 Newton. This is the total work done by the force. Okay.